Do you feel anxious when working or living in a crowded city? Let's do the breath work with your Garmin watch to bring back some relaxation and tranquility. Press the upper right key to enter the menu. Select breath work. If your watch doesn't have the breath work, please update your watch software via Garmin Express. When you use the breath work for the first time, your watch will ask you which technique you would like to practice. There are 3 modes in the breathwork activity. 16 minutes coherence leads you to make equal time breaths to achieve a state of calm alertness. 16 minutes relax and focus helps your body relax and focus your mind. There is also a 6 minutes relax and focus that you can choose to practice. It can quickly improve your status of mind. 12 minutes tranquility helps you distress and get ready for sleep. Select a breathing technique you want and press the upper right key to confirm. When the watch shows Do Workout, press it again. Then you will enter the Ready page. After you finish the technique setting, next time you enter the breathwork activity, your watch will directly show the Ready page based on the technique you chose last time. If you want to change your breathing technique, in the breathwork activity, hold the middle left key, select Breathing Technique, select Change Technique, and choose the breathing technique you want. Then press the upper right key to confirm. Select Do Workout. The page will go back to the Ready. Press the upper right key to start your practice. Your watch will tell you what to do in every phase. Once you finish, your watch will show the duration, the average heart rate, and the breath rate of the practice. Now let's open the breathwork activity and try it out. Thanks for watching.